there, this is Jasmine with WTI. I want to share with you my new hot tub mat. This is ARDILA VEELA's 80 by 78 inch hot tub mat. It fits our 71 inch diameter hot tub perfectly with a little bit of wiggle room all the way around the tub. So no matter what point you step out of the tub, you're standing on the mat. It's easy to set up, just simply throw it down and then get your hot tub set up. We give it a brief sweep before we get into the hot tub so we don't track any debris in. It doesn't cling to debris very easily, so that's a major bonus. We really like having this mat because we use our hot tub in the wintertime in icy conditions. So when we get out, we're rested assured that we're standing on this mat and we won't slip and fall. We love that it absorbs water and it makes the area around the hot tub look cleaned up. We're really pleased with this mat, and that is our point of view.